Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're going to use Etcher and burn an image for the Raspberry Pi on an SD card. We're going to switch to it now. Okay, this is what Etcher looks like. We're going to select the image. Okay. Highlight the IMG file and press open. Okay, select the drive, which is the SD card. And we're going to click flash, and it will take just a few moments. Please be patient. Okay, a few minutes later, the card is flashed, and now we're going to load the operating system on the Raspberry Pi. Please be patient. It will take just a few seconds for it to load. Okay, for this I have used Keynote to load up on the card. As you can see, it's working fine after I use Etcher to burn it. I'm just going to do a short test on it to see how it works. Okay, I think it's pretty good and it works. Okay, and that should be the end of the test. This was just a tutorial on how to use Etcher to burn an image to a microSD card for the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, it was a successful burn. It worked great. I hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and see you later.